Hello, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at what are atoms and molecules. Do you know what is an atom and what is a molecule and what is the difference? Okay, so an atom means only one of them. For example, we can have a carbon atom. You see, there's only one carbon atom. Then we have oxygen. Oxygen, only one of it. So it's a atom. Okay, so atom, there's only one of it. Okay, so we say there's only one. How about molecule? Molecule is more than one. Can be same type or different type, doesn't matter. Okay, so as long as there is more than one. Can it be 2 or 3? Yes, can be 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, so for example, we can have oxygen, O2. Oxygen molecule. This is an oxygen atom. Okay, then we have carbon dioxide molecule. More than one. Okay, carbon dioxide molecule. Then we can have chlorine gas. Chlorine, 2 of them. So 2 of them is a molecule. As long as there's more than one, it's a molecule. One by itself, it's an atom. Thank you for joining me. Do join us for the next video to learn more about atoms and molecules. Thank you for subscribing.